Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a bowl with a little bit of texture on it. So right now we're marking out for the Mortise. We've got the camera turned round and the lathe turned on, and we're about to start shaping. So the first tool we've got is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Getting it to round. I'm going to start by going round the bottom now and getting it to shape. There you go. So silly me, I forgot to put the camera on, so we've got a bit of a reenactment coming up here. So I started off with the mid-size detailer, then cleaned it out with the #1 hollower, flattened everything off with the mid-size rougher, reenactment now over, and we're going to go to the mid-size detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chop. And there you go. So I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand to 240 grit with clean spore abrasives. Clean the grain here with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Just wipe this all over until you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There you go. Alright, we're just going to use the detailer here to define where we're going to have the texture. The mid-size rougher just to clean out between the two lines. And now we're going to break out the Dremel 8260. Going to go right the way around that rim there and put some texture on it. I think I had this bit going a bit too fast because, as you'll see in a minute, it got a bit hot. There you go. Going to use the mid-sized detailer here just to make the lines at the edge a little bit deeper. Now we're going to use the Carl Jacobson Signature Series wire burner just to burn some lines in. And I wasn't too happy about that centre white line, as you can see, so I decided to go and put a burn line in there as well. There you go. Alright, so I've got it all taped off now and chuck protected, and we're going to put some Ebonising Lacquer on. This is from Chestnut Products. This is the Jo Sonja Pearlescent range acrylic paint. Just going to paint all of that on. This is a colour shifting paint, this one. Alright, so once that's dried, we're just going to seal that in with some sanding sealer. And there you go. And now we're going to get to the inside. So we're going to start with the mid-size rougher and flatten the top off. And now the #1 hollower to clean it out. There's the mid-size finisher, just take out any ridges that might have happened, and we're just going to clean up that rim a bit. There you go. Alright, once again, already done most of the sanding, so this is just 240 grit. Bit of compressed air, some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean the grain, some sanding sealer, some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste, once again you just wipe it on until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. And Hampshire Sheen original luster wax. So you wipe this all over, wait for the solvents to evaporate, turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and then buff it in. You don't want to push too hard, just build up that heat. You don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on. Right, I thank everybody for watching this video. There will be some pictures at the end. Don't forget, hit that like button. Share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you like watch any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, bye bye for now.